As of April 27th, Gemini can generate fully formatted files directly for all users. We're talking free plans, paid plans, everybody. And we're not just talking about some text popping up on your screen that you have to deal with. We're talking about actual, downloadable files generated straight from your prompts.
Look at this massive range of supported formats it can now create. You've got your native workspace files, obviously, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. But it also handles PDF, Word, Excel, CSV, plain and rich text, Markdown, and yep, even LaTeX. This specific capability fundamentally changes how you extract work from the AI. You're no longer just getting an answer that you have to painstakingly copy and paste somewhere else. You're getting ready-to-use deliverables formatted exactly how you need them right out of the gate.
Section 1. Direct File Creation Explained. From messy notes to formatted docs. Okay, let's dive into this. Imagine feeding Gemini a completely jumbled mess of bullet points you jotted down in a hurry during a meeting, and instantly receiving a clean, beautifully formatted PDF newsletter with proper headings, bullet points, and spacing.
But here's the real magic. It's the exact same content, just in a completely different container. If you realize you need to tweak that generated newsletter later, you don't need to start from scratch or manually copy the text out of the PDF. You literally just ask Gemini for that exact same content, but as an editable Word document. It seamlessly ports your work into whatever container you actually need for your next step.
Section 2. Reading your Google Drive. The cross-app superpower. Now, this is arguably the most impactful part of this entire update, and it's absolutely what genuinely separates Gemini from its competitors for everyday users right now.
To put that into perspective, let's look at the old way versus the new way. In the tedious old workflow, if you wanted AI to summarize a spreadsheet, you had to physically open your spreadsheet app, highlight and copy the data, switch over to a chatbot sandbox, paste it all in, and then ask your questions. It was exhausting. The new way? It's called drive-aware analysis. You literally just prompt Gemini to find a specific file, say your Q1 tutorial performance sheet sitting somewhere in your drive, and you ask it to summarize the top 3 performers into an executive summary PDF. Without you ever opening the file or copying a single cell of data, Gemini reaches in, analyzes it, and generates a completely different, formatted document.
Section 3. Where the features break. The missing formats. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is we need to manage expectations for a second. If you ask Gemini to directly create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, a .pptx file, it will currently fail. It's either going to give you a Google Slides deck instead, or it'll just dump out raw code and basically expect you to build it yourself.
Fortunately, there's a super easy 3-step workaround to get exactly what you need. Step 1, explicitly tell Gemini to generate a Google Slides deck. Step 2, once it generates the preview, just click the button to export it to Google Slides. And Step 3, open that new file in Google Slides, go to your File menu, hit Download, and grab your Microsoft PowerPoint file. So, if you've been frustrated wondering why your PowerPoint prompts keep failing, it's not you. It's just a temporary format gap, and this workaround fixes it instantly.
Section 4. The version duplication flaw. Creation versus editing. This brings us to a pretty critical workflow limitation regarding how Gemini actually handles your existing files.
The absolutely crucial point here is this. Gemini can create new files and it can read existing files, but it cannot currently edit a live file. Let's say you have that newsletter PDF sitting in your drive, and you ask Gemini to shorten the headline or maybe remove the 3rd paragraph. Instead of updating the existing document, Gemini is going to generate a brand new version of the file. Every single requested change results in a completely new file being created. You have to be super aware of this, or you are going to quickly end up with a massive amount of version clutter flooding your drive.
Section 5. Workspace Intelligence Strategy. The bigger picture. Now, zooming out from the micro features, this update was announced just 6 days after Cloud Next 2026, and it's actually the first visible piece of a massive macro strategy.
That strategy is called Workspace Intelligence. Think of this as a foundational background layer sitting beneath all of Google Workspace. It provides Gemini with a real-time understanding of what you are working on across your Gmail, your Google Drive, your calendar, and your docs. The ultimate goal here is that you stop having to feed the AI context manually for every single prompt. It will simply know what you've been working on, who you've been emailing, and exactly what data is sitting in your files.
As noted perfectly in our source material, the real story is that Google's finally moving Gemini from a chatbot you talk to toward an assistant that works inside your Google Drive.
We're breaking this down as an explainer because it's not just a simple software tutorial, it's a strategic look at Google's long-term plan. They are actively trying to close the gap so that the AI can act directly within your live documents, doing the actual work inside the very place where you keep your stuff, rather than forcing you into a separate, isolated sandbox.
So think about it. What happens to your daily workflow when AI stops being a separate destination and becomes the invisible layer beneath all your work?